What is market research? Did you know that one of the main reasons would-be entrepreneurs fail is because they haven't done their market research? It's easy for you to believe you have an excellent idea for a business, but if you want your business to be a success, it's a good idea to check it out more widely. Is there really a market for your business? And will people actually buy your products or services? That's what market research is. A cost-effective way to check out if your idea is a winner. Market research provides you with answers and information so that you can make better decisions. You can find out what your customers want and then match your products and services so that they fit better. It can make you more competitive and improve your chances of success. You don't always get new information from your market research. Sometimes it confirms what you already know. But you have wider proof, so it's not just your opinion or that of your family and friends. And make sure you take notice of what you learn. There may be small but important facts hidden in your research that make all the difference to your success. Of course, it's not always completely positive. Market research can throw up results that are critical or negative. That can be tough to take, but don't hide away or ignore it. Some of those comments may be well-founded. They may give you valuable insight so that you can refine or adapt what you are offering or make changes to your pricing. You may even get some hints and tips on how to do your marketing better. You may be thinking that this sounds great, but hiring a market research professional is expensive. But don't worry. There are lots of simple and low-cost techniques that you can use to get the information you need. There's more about these in this module. Have a look, and you'll be well equipped to do it yourself. But remember, market research doesn't make decisions for you. And of course, there's no guarantee of success. Market research is crucial during the startup phase of your business. And it's equally important once you're established. You still need to know about your market, your competitors, and your customers. Tastes and trends change all the time, and it's easy to get left behind. After all, a beautician who isn't up to date with the latest treatments will soon lose out. And an interior designer who is offering last year's colors isn't likely to do well either. Use the information in this module to find out how market research can help you make informed decisions and improve your chances of success.